രാവിലെ തന്നെ സ്പ്രൈറ്റ് അമ്മാളു.
നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെയല്ലേ ഇന്നലെ സ്പ്രൈറ്റ് ഇനി അപ്പേരും പൂച്ചേരും സമയം.
പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ അമ്മ സ്പ്രൈറ്റ് കുടിച്ചില്ലല്ലോ. അമ്മ കണ്ടും കൂടിയില്ലേ സ്പ്രൈറ്റ്. അച്ഛയായിരിക്കും കുടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടാവും, അമ്മയില്ല. ഏട്ടാ ഏട്ടാ കണ്ട You want to tell where we're going?
Huh?
You want to tell where we're going?
We're going to Jerry Falls.
Ooh, okay. Are you excited?
Yes, super.
Okay, we're going. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, I'll be in the back. Y'all can have fun.
So guys, we're going to the river.
Where are we going?
To the river or something. That's what this guy said.
I said waterfall. Brace yourself.
Yes.
This is what I said. This is more bumpy. And more chilly. Oh, this is so fun, bro.
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Chill, Madi, Anjali, Aunty. Chill, Madi. That is so... Hey, wait, is that the waterfall where we're going?
No.
So that is so small, then imagine that, the other one. Ah, it's so cool!
Okay.
Jailer! What? I don't know. Because he said something.
What happened to English?
Last time we came here also he was playing this.
Are we going?
Are there?
Where there? അതൊക്കെ പൊളിഞ്ഞു പോയി, അത് നശിച്ചു പോയി.
നമ്മൾ പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞോ?
പോയിട്ടല്ല, പണ്ടത്തെ കാലത്തെ അതൊക്കെ ഒരു
Protection.
You want to say something?
It's very sunny.
It's very sunny, yeah.
Take protection before coming.
Yeah, this is for the YouTube video. You want to say something? All right. Have something to say?
20,000 carvings.
Sorry, I just couldn't get the moment.
You want to say something?
What if the booby traps?
One second.
There's no booby traps.
What if there are? when the trunk is on the left side.
I don't know, but he said another name for Ganesha with the right side trunk.
Yeah, even I heard that.
People have said people not to buy the Ganesha with the right trunk.
Yes.
Always buy with
Always there was the Ganesha with the left side trunk.
Can you believe the whole thing was made by one stone? Do they mean like one whole stone or like one type of stone?
One whole stone.
The
Ore pillars, ore pillars.